Okay, so today we are going to be figuring out this equation. So here is our chocolate bar. Now, how much pieces do we need to divide into? Oh no. One, say 11/12 times 1/4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, how many pieces do we need to divide that into? 4? But now we've got this up, so we need 11 of these. So let's count together. Ready? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, now that we've got 11/12, how are we able to divide that? Of course, we're going to need 2 divided into quarters. So 3 equal lines. Just shrink that one down a bit for now. Now stretch it out. Round about there, that's one done. Now let's get this next one done. Okay, stretch out. Line it up correctly, straighten it out. That's 2. Right there. Now for the last one, we're going to need to do one more line. This shouldn't be too hard. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to into. Right, so here we go. Yeah, it's better. Round about there. Put it into position. So now we've got what we have. Now we need to select 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we have 11 of these, correct? Okay, so now this is what we used to have as 11/12 going that way. So let's just get rid of those. This will just take a moment. Okay, 11/12 as a quarter. Now let's count these together. Ready? Okay, so here we go. So here is our 11. Add this to make 12 squares. So 12 represents a whole column, but we only want 11. So now, all we need to figure out is 12 times 4 equals 48. I know this because 2 times 4, 8, 10 times 4 is 14. So, and we have 11, so that's 11/48. So that's one way to do it. Now, while I erase this thing, do you know any other ways of doing this? This will only take a moment.
Pretty cool password, eh? Turn the light on, mate.
Okay, so 11/12 times 1/4. Now, 11 times 1 equals 11. So 11 goes to 1. So we've got the top column done. Now 12 times 4. Like I've already explained, it's 48. So there's another way to get a fraction of 11/48. And that now concludes how to solve 11/12 times 1/4. Thank you for listening.